In this tutorial, you will learn how to use molXplore, our graphical user interface to view and analyze PharmScreen and exaScreen results. To load an experiment, simply click on Load Experiment. You have two options: load a whole experiment from PharmScreen or exaScreen, or load the files individually. After a few seconds, the experiment will be loaded in molXplore. The first element to highlight is the molecular viewer, where you can see the screened compounds on the left and the query molecule on the right. You can freely rotate, zoom or pan for a better visualization. You can also center the view or take a snapshot of the molecule. You can find different visualization options in the top left of the viewer. Clicking the first button, you can overlay the two structures to visualize the alignment performed. You can also visualize the different 3D molecular fields generated. Up to 7 properties are provided, like electrostatic, hydrophobic, or shape profiles. You can modify the individual fields' thresholds for a better visualization. Similar visualization is available for the query molecule. There are different ways to represent the molecules in the next button. The last option allows you to hide or show the 2D representation of the molecules or the list of properties. Below you can find the table view. Here you can switch between the different compounds in the ranking by clicking the I button. There are many columns with different properties of the compounds. You can order the molecules based on a specific property by clicking in the name of the column. You can show or hide the columns in the table by clicking on Table Properties. In case of multiple references, you can show or hide them. You can filter the output in the funnel icon, where you can select the property and range to be used to filter the results. Click on the plus button to apply the current filter and add new additional ones to find compounds with the desired properties. Table can be hidden for a better visualization of the molecules. You can also view the table in full mode. Here a 2D representation of the molecule is displayed for their identification. The last element of molXplore is the plot. Here you can create a 2D scatter plot, selecting 2 different properties. You can select compounds in the plot using the left button of your mouse. The table will be automatically updated as well as the molecular viewer. Once you have selected the most promising compounds, you can select them and save them in a group. Groups are listed in the left column of molXplore. When clicking on the group name, the list of compounds will be displayed. You can view them by clicking on the eye icon. You can save the selected molecules or group to a SDF file in your local drive. Try molXplore now. Visit us at pharmacelera.com or contact us at contact@pharmacelera.com.